Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, everyone. It is the 5th of May, 2021, taking a look at Bitcoin here. So, going back to its chart on the daily, if you remember, we looked at this and we saw, first off, Bitcoin's had all of crypto's pretty amazing run, and this could turn into one hell of a bullish engulfing candlestick, but the volume's still lower than yesterday, and there's only like an hour left, so this makes me a little leery to be bullish on Bitcoin at least. But then look at this, okay? This will be a second major rejection. First, we had this rising wedge, right? We had this rising wedge pattern followed by move south. Well, actually, let me do this differently. This is really what we were taking a peek at. Well, for those of you that watched it, it was like a rejection of this angle, rejection again. Now it dropped down, and it's failed to move up to test the prior high here. And then we have this bear flag formation, okay, which we broke down below. We identified this yesterday, and we've moved up to retest it today, but we still haven't closed back above it. So there's a little area of concern. Additionally, we have this inverse head and shoulders pattern where there was a little break above, retested, failed again. There's a lot of rejection here. Price-wise, it looks like it's sitting stable, but there's a lot of patterns that have broken down out of their bearish pattern and retested, and they've been rejected, and then price has gone lower. This is happening over and over and over. So this is either developing into a really great bear trap or a really great bull trap, because it doesn't look very convincing that we're moving up from here, unless actually I shouldn't even really worry about volume, but this candlestick, as bullish as it is, we'll see what happens over the next few days. If it can get back above this angle, I'll be on the bullish roller coaster. But for right now, it still looks weak to me. Bitcoin does, and which makes this entire analysis so difficult, because Cardano's chart looks like it's set up for an amazing run, and so do a lot of altcoins, and some of them had some amazing runs. But here's the deal: Bitcoin's looks really weak. I guess not really weak, but it just looks like it's set up for that nice move south. And again, those value areas we're looking at are in that 34K value area. Okay, question is, if it goes higher, how much higher does it go? This is why I like to use, this is, especially when you're talking about prices that have never traded before, that's where Fibonacci extensions really come in handy. They don't give you like an exact of anything, but you can use projections from former swings, and that should help kind of isolate a price level or price range to look at, because those confluent zones often do end up being important places in the future, even though they've never been traded. So when I look here, the 100%, so 66,657. There's a pretty good chunk right up here at 80, we'll just say 88,000. 83, 87, 86, 88. That's a likely zone. These are all pretty 1.27 extension, 100% extension, 200%, 2.272 extension. They're all pretty good levels. I think that'd be the price level to target if you're going to go long. That'd be the next profit target. Yeah, if you were going to go long and you wanted to see where that next target was going to be at, I would look at that 86K value area. That's what I would look at. We'll keep it there for now. We'll figure out what's happening the rest of the few days here. Keep a look at it, check on it, and we'll get back to you tomorrow. From Altitude Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.